What up, my people equal? It's your boy Oreezy here, and I'm back with another taste testing video. As you can see, my spoon right here. And for this video, we will be taste testing this Ben & Jerry's caramel chocolate cheesecake ice cream. All right, now I don't really eat a lot of Ben & Jerry's, but hey, there's a first time for everything, right? Well, this isn't really my first time trying Ben & Jerry's. This is just my first time trying this flavor. But anyways, let's begin the taste test. Okay, just got it. Here we go. Alright, here's a spoonful, and now the taste. It's a pretty great flavor. It's a pretty good flavor. Pretty good. I am definitely tasting like I think I felt like some graham cracker in there or something. It says here, there are some chunks of cheesecake, so. Okay, so there are also some chocolate cookie swirls. That's probably that graham cracker taste that I've been describing. Yep, it's a cheesecake right there. And I'm definitely tasting the caramel. So this is a pretty good flavor. This is I definitely recommend this. Scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being yuck and 10 being yum. I'm gonna have to give this just one more spoonful. I'm going to give this an 8.5. Alright, well, that's all the time we have for this video. Until next time, I am Audi 5 million.